Hi guys, welcome to Indus Talks. This video is for our subscribers who are from out of Kerala. In this video, we are explaining about medical coding, its job opportunities, and about CPC exam syllabus. These are included in this video. What is medical coding? Do you know the definition of medical coding? So, the definition is medical coding is the conversion of a diagnosis or a procedures into an alphanumeric code. Let's check with an example. Assume that diabetes, diabetes is a diagnosis. For the diabetes, assume that code is E11.9. You all know that E is an alphabet and 1 is a number. So like this, we are converting a diagnosis or a procedures into an alphanumeric code. This is a small example that you can understand easily what is the definition of medical coding. Whenever you visit to an hospital, you might have seen the patient's discharge summary. In that summary, doctors are mentioned patient history, examination, and diagnosis and procedures. As we as a medical coder, our duty is to convert these diagnoses and procedures into an alphanumeric code. I hope you all clear about the definition of medical coding. So next move on to what are the syllabus. The syllabus includes mainly 4 subjects. First one is anatomy, second one is ICD, third one is CPT, fourth one is HIPICS. So we can look into detail about what is anatomy and others. Anatomy includes detailed explanation of our human body parts like human body system, respiratory system, digestive system, and it also include medical terminologies. Medical terminologies like self-injectomy and osteoporosis. It's like a medical terminologies. Second subject is ICD. Its abbreviation is International Classification of Diseases. In this, the diagnoses are converted into an alphanumeric code that we already mentioned in the beginning, how a diabetes is converted into an alphanumeric code. So third subject is CPT, Current Procedural Terminology. In this, we are converting the procedures into an alphanumeric code. For example, laparoscopy, injection. Next subject is HIPICS. Its abbreviation is Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Let's have a look into what is HIPICS. HIPICS is a standardized coding system that is used primarily to identify product, supplies and services not included in the CPT code, such as ambulance services, durable medical equipment, etc. Hope you all are clear about the syllabus part. Okay, next we move on to what are the advantages of medical coding. First one is it is used for the statistical purpose. Second one is it protects patients' privacy. Third one is it is used to fasten the insurance claiming process. These are the main advantages of medical coding. Now let's discuss about what are the scope and job opportunities of medical coding. A medical coder can work in hospital, MNCs and medical coding training institute. Now let's see the requirements to get into this job. The basic requirements are you must be a degree holder, or even if 2-year or 3-year diploma is also considered. And the second one is CPC certification. How to get this CPC certification? In India, for the life science degree graduate, this CPC certification is not mandatory. But for other degree graduate, CPC is mandatory. Do you guys know what is CPC? CPC means Certified Professional Coder. CPC exam is conducted by AAPC, American Academy of Professional Coders, which is headquartered in USA. There are many exam centers in India, Kochi, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad. CPC exam it is a 5-hour 40-minute exam. There is no negative marking. It is an open book exam. To clear this CPC exam, you have to score 70%. To get such good score, you must take proper training from any reputed institute. So, if you really want a career in medical coding, join our 3-month training program at Indus Education. We provide you CPC exam preparation and placement assistance as well. To know more about this course, comment below and contact below mentioned number. Thank you for watching this video.